Did you know that you can now fully automate your online marketing using the power of AI chatbots? Yes, you can literally turn your Facebook pages, Messenger, and Instagram pages into automated sales machines without having to pay any monthly or yearly fees and get 80% to 100% open rates on your marketing messages. Not just that, you can integrate email marketing, SMS broadcasts, and even Facebook and WhatsApp messages to promote your business, drive traffic, and sales. And all this can be done in just less than 10 minutes thanks to this powerful new software. A fully automated, all-in-one marketing suite that uses the power of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, emails, and SMSs to truly automate your traffic, leads, and sales. Just install it and set up your automated bots once and let them work for you as sales agents and do all the hard work for you. This is perfect for automated sales, customer service, follow-ups, and marketing. Want to see how this works? Let me show you. Once you log out, you can see on the dashboard how many pages, your subscribers, and sales you have. Now, to get started, you can simply connect your FB account with the software and then enable the bot for your Facebook or Instagram page. Once done, you can go into the bot manager and create your bot. When you create your bot, you see this amazing flow designer that allows you to create the complete flow of how a visitor will integrate and interact with your Facebook page or Messenger bot. You can define keywords based on which the bot gets activated and complete flow statements to automatically reply with messages, images, products, and almost anything you want. Here, let me show you a quick demo of how a bot will work in the real world. And when a user interacts with it, the Messenger bot automatically replies to the users, captures their email leads and stores them for you, shows the right products, helps the user complete the purchase and deliver it all without leaving the interface. How amazing is that? Now you can even automate comment replies to your Instagram and Facebook pages from this section and define your keywords and replies based on which responses will be given to the people who comment on your posts. Now, Botmatic can automatically turn those random visitors into leads and customers by sending them coupons and helping them buy something from your store. This entire process works without any manual work or intervention while you relax on a beach somewhere, visitors into customers for you. Social media is massive when it comes to marketing, sales, leads, and traffic. And being able to automate it will not only free up a lot of your time, but will also bring you a lot of money. So what are you waiting for? Jump in and grab your copy today, fully loaded with hundreds of features that you will not get in any single software. This is like buying 10 different apps for the price of one. The early bird discount will only last a few days, and the agency license is an amazing deal that you should not miss. So take action now and get your copy